Day one, and we're camping in the national park above the Sirikit Dam. 150 baht for this little spot, very nice. Lovely. So we just arrived up here at this here campsite after quite a climb up a dusty little track, but we could tell it was in use. This is the trail here. Red dust. And Nick didn't follow us up here, he thought better of it. It was a bit tricky. Nice spot though. Day number 2, and we've just arrived at the second camping spot, which is this place. We're somewhere in the big Doi Samer Dao complex. It's a big area and there are lots of little privately run resorts inside it. This one's got these little cabins that you can rent. We're just going to sleep in the tent again. Great view from up here and nice temperatures too, and it's so difficult to reach that with a bit of luck, and it's the middle of the week, so with a bit of luck no one else will come up here. Go on. Go on. It's presenting Chiang Rai's latest, the drive-in hotel. And there it is. Camping up here again for the 3rd night. We just can't get enough. But look at this place. In the morning that valley is full of mist. It's just too much. There's 10. Here comes Steve-O. Hello.
Hello. Excellent parking.
Not good, huh? Someone's day went badly wrong.